This Pail Hand Truck allows one person to easily and efficiently move 5-gallon pails or other miscellaneous items. The nose plate can be flipped down and pail retention fingers flipped up in order for this cart to be used as a basic hand truck. Flip the pail retaining fingers down to utilize the pail lifting feature. An arched back allows the pail to fit safely on the hand truck. Units roll smoothly on large 10-inch by 2.5-inch diameter wheels. Baked in, powder-coated toughness. Transport pails easily with this heavy-duty Pail Hand Truck.